Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can change currency in Udemy. As you can see, I'm logged in with my account and my current currency is in dollars. So how you can change it? So for this you need a VPN. I have multiple VPNs. You can see IPVanish, Proton, NordVPN. So for this process I will currently use IPVanish. So make sure you buy any VPN, or if you have any free VPN, try with that VPN. There are multiple free VPNs available. So make sure to try any of it. So once you open the VPN, simply connect to, let's say I'm currently choosing United States. So I will, let's say I will choose Germany, or like select your country, whatever you want to select, what is your currency. And once it is connected, simply make sure to go to new tab and search here Udemy, and again create an account with the new Gmail. And once you create an account, your currency will be changed into your accordingly country. Whatever country you have chosen, your currency will be changed. But you will not be able to change currency on your old account. As you can see, there is no option available in settings or anywhere that how you can change currency. You can only change country while making your profile, and once it is done while making, so you will be able to change the currency. So that is a simple process.